Good afternoon, children. Children, how are you? I hope you all are well at your home. बच्चों, अभी बारिश का मौसम है और कोरोना भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही फैल गया है, इसीलिए आप लोग घर पे ही रहोगे और खूब मन लगा के पढ़ोगे। Today I am going to teach you words with TH और CK sound. TH का उच्चारण हिंदी में थ होता है और CK का उच्चारण हिंदी में क होता है। So let's learn about them. THREE 3, THREAD thread, THUMB thumb, THIN thin, THERMOS thermos, TCLOTH cloth. Children, here all words are started with TH और इसका उच्चारण भी थ है। Let's more words with TH sound. THIN thin, THICK thick, THIGS thigh, THING thing, BIRTH birth, FAITH faith, FIFTH fifth, DEPTH depth, THIS this, THAT that, THESE these, THOSE those, SIXTH sixth, SEVENTH seventh, NINETH ninth, TENTH tenth. Now children, words with CK sound. CK का उच्चारण हिंदी में क होता है। SOCKS socks, BRICK brick, brick means ईटा होता है। FROCK frog, PEACOCK peacock, peacock means मोर होता है। LOCK lock, DUCK duck. Now more words with CK sound. BACK back, CHECK chick, check, SICK sick, ROCK rock, BLACK black, CHICK chick, PICK pick, LOCK lock, ATTACK tack, FLOCK flock, LICK lick, COCK cock, BRICK brick, CLOCK clock, TRICK trick, SOCK sock. Now let's do some exercise. Look at this picture. This is thumb. So we fill here TH. THUMB thumb. This is socks. So we will fill here CK. SOCKS socks. This is thread. So we will fill here THREAD thread. This figure is thin boy. So we will fill here THIN thin. This is lock. So we will fill here LOCK lock. This is frog. So we will fill here FROCK frog. Now match some rhyming words. BLACK black, ATTACK attack, TRICK trick, BRICK brick, ROCK rock, LOCK lock, THIN thin, THICK thick, BIRTH birth, Faith, faith. Today, up to here only. Do practice at your home. Thank you for watching.